Hi Anna, I hope you're doing well. I am really happy and really satisfied because I passed the course. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to you and Russell for giving me this opportunity to learn more about technology and how to use technology in teaching learning process. In fact, I learned a lot. I learned a lot from you, and I learned how to use different tools, platforms. So that's what I really need in my teaching. It is how to use technology with my students and how to set them feedback. Everything was useful and was really interesting. Thank you a lot. Really, thank you. Just to give you the 10 words, because your feedback was really interesting. I like it. Your feedback, very clear. You helped me a lot, and I'm trying to develop myself. I need to be more practical, to use these tools every day, and to know different things, including like Padlet or Google Forms, Google Slides, so screencasts. I need to practice more. About the 10 words, the missing words, so I don't know how many words did you find. You told me that you have found 9 words. Okay, so we have a student, number 1. We have book, number 2. Board, number 3. Desk, number 4. Class, number 5. Table, number 6. School, number 7. Pencil, 8. Teacher, 9. And the brush, 10. So these are the 10 words. Thank you, Anna. Have a nice time. And thank you very much because you offered me assistance. And of course, I need your assistance. I'm going to ask you a lot. Goodbye.